I masturbate multiple times a day. How can I stop this? Brahmacharya or celibacy is an extremely important subject. These days, neither parents nor teachers are able to properly explain it to the youth. Even when consulting doctors, one often receives misguided advice. Many doctors claim that masturbation reduces stress and brings peace, which is completely false. Just think about the condition of a person who masturbates 4 times a day. Right now, you're young, so your body is able to tolerate it, but in the future, your eyesight may weaken, you may develop constant back pain, and joint pain could begin. The right path to fulfilling desires. The proper way to fulfill one's desires is through marriage, embracing the life of a householder, having children, and living with self-restraint. We are human beings, we should not behave like animals. If you reform yourself now, your life can be transformed, otherwise, it may be ruined entirely. This is a habit that, once it takes hold, rarely lets go. Even after making countless resolutions, it becomes difficult to quit. This bad habit destroys the body from within. The union between man and woman should happen within the boundaries of dignity and righteousness. For example, if you maintain celibacy for 15 to 20 years and then get married, even marriage has its own code of conduct. When one follows dharma, even sensual pleasures begin to lose their charm. In married life, if one partner practices self-restraint, the other can gradually improve as well. But in this bad habit, you're alone. The moment the desire for pleasure arose, you ended up wasting your vital energy 4 times in a single day. In household life, having a restrained union once a month keeps you healthy and allows for children to be born righteously. Falling into this bad habit is a path to complete self-destruction. Correct yourself in time. If you genuinely wish to quit, there is still some possibility, though not a complete one. If you have developed the habit of masturbating 4 times a day, even if you stop now, you may still experience nightfall or involuntary ejaculation during sleep. This is a condition for which there is no medicine, only your own willpower can cure it. Only you can correct this yourself. Gradually create a disciplined routine where you firmly resolve not to engage in this wrong act. If nightfall occurs, endure it calmly without panic. Be patient, improve your diet, do regular physical exercises like sit-ups and push-ups, run 4 to 5 kilometers daily, and physically tire your body. Also, avoid any kind of intoxication. Watching obscene videos on mobile. These days, children watch obscene content on smartphones. Whatever you watch and contemplate upon, your mind will become excited in that direction. When the mind is drawn toward sensual pleasures, a person falls into sins like adultery or masturbation and ends up destroying themselves. This problem is not limited to men alone. Anyone who becomes a victim of this harmful habit will face ruin. Eventually, they will lose the ability to reproduce and raise children properly. Semen retention, protecting the vital energy. The energy within our body is limited. Just as a vehicle needs refueling when its petrol runs out, similarly, it takes the digestion of about 40 kilograms of food to produce a single drop of semen capable of creating life. Now think, if you are masturbating 4 times a day, what will happen to your body? Your accumulated vital energy will slowly drain away from your system. Nam jap and exercise are essential to avoid masturbation. Chant God's name every day. Regardless of your age, exercise is essential. Exercise for at least 15 to 20 minutes daily. If you are elderly, walk 2 kilometers. If you are young, run 5 kilometers. You eat food every day, but without exercise, it will not be properly digested. Regular exercise will also help calm your wrong desires from within. Do 100 push-ups, run 5 kilometers, and tire your body. Remember, you will only be able to exercise this much if you preserve your semen, and semen retention will only be possible if you exercise. If you sit idle at home, overeat, and watch obscene content on your mobile, then falling into bad habits is inevitable.